Let's get back to the COVID-19 pandemic here in Illinois. With new cases continuing to increase across the state, Governor Pritzker is issuing new orders for businesses to enforce face mask rules or face some fines.
WGN's Gaynor Hall joins us now with details. Gaynor.
Hi, Jackie and Lourdes. The governor calls them common sense rules that would give local health departments and law enforcement more leeway to make sure businesses are requiring people to wear masks and following capacity restrictions.
The first step in the proposed rule is educating businesses on compliance. The next step is a warning. And the last step, after these repeated attempts to urge compliance, is a fine.
Governor Pritzker was joined by union and industry leaders this morning announcing new proposed guidelines to require businesses, schools, and child care organizations to enforce the state's mask mandate.
The stakes are too high, as it would be catastrophic to shut down our economy once again. It would be the death of the hospitality industry here in the state of Illinois.
House Republican leader Jim Durkin says the governor should call a special session on the emergency rules and ethics reform.
I believe that there is a place for us to do the right thing, and that's going to be through the legislative process. And that is where we have been boxed out by the governor since March.
This is a make or break moment for the state of Illinois.
Fines would range from $7,500 to $2,500. Pritzker emphasized that individuals will not face penalties. But the head of the Illinois Retail Merchants Association called the move a slap in the face for businesses.
Either the administration is going to support the businesses and the employees who've been on the front line of this pandemic and focus their efforts on individuals who are not wearing their face coverings, or they're going to risk squandering this moment in time, holding them accountable for someone they can't control. That's just not, that doesn't constitute fairness in the American justice system.
We've been complying all along. We've got everything. We've got signs posted. We've got the sneeze guards and the dividers.
Art Potash owns 3 markets in Chicago.
It's a very difficult environment. And I think the fines, the burden being placed on retailers is going to, make that environment even more difficult.
These proposed rules would still need to be approved by the Joint Committee on Administrative Rules, and it's on the agenda for Tuesday.
All right, thanks, Gaynor.